Are you experiencing an issue where iPhone storage is not loading or displaying correctly or stuck? This can be frustrating, but don't worry. In this guide, I'll show you effective solutions to resolve the issues and get your iPhone storage loading properly. Let's get started. Solution 1. Log out Apple ID. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap Apple ID. Scroll down and select Sign Out. If prompted, you may need to enter your Apple ID. Password to confirm. After logging out, wait for a few moments. Log back in again. After the simple process, just restart your iPhone. Solution 2. Free up space by deleting unnecessary files. Open Photos on your iPhone. Scroll down. Tap Recently Deleted, tap Select and choose Delete. All to permanently delete, all to permanently remove these files and clear up space. Solution 3. Offload unused apps. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, then select iPhone Storage. Scroll down to see a list of apps, then tap on any large or unused apps. Tap Offload App to free up space without deleting the app's data. You can reinstall it later if needed. Return to iPhone storage and check if it's loading correctly. Solution 4. Enable Background App Refresh. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, scroll down, and select Background App Refresh. Make sure Background App Refresh is enabled for Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Ensure that storage-related apps like Photos and iCloud Drive are toggled on for Background App Refresh. Solution 5. Update iOS. Go to Settings, scroll down, and tap General. Select Software Update and see if an iOS update is available. If available, tap Download and install to update your device. After updating, check if the iPhone storage section loads properly. Solution 6. Reset all settings. Open Settings on your iPhone, tap General, scroll down, then select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset, then choose Reset all settings. This action will reset your Wi-Fi passwords and other system settings but won't delete your data. Once your iPhone restarts, check if iPhone storage is now loading correctly. By following these solutions, you should be able to fix the issue with the iPhone storage not loading. If this guide was helpful, stay tuned for more troubleshooting tips. Still have questions? Please let me know in the comments.